Hi guys, this is Kiran Kumar. You are watching Tech Vega channel. Friends, today on this video I am going to show you how to earn money online. Basically, so many of them are interested to make money online. So this is the right way to earn money online. This site is a 100% legit website. So please watch this video until the end so you guys can know how it works to earn money. Let's start our show without wasting your time. Guys, I am going to show you a website called Woopla. This site is a e-commerce website. Nowadays e-commerce is very popular, can get things on your doorstep. So this site also one of the e-commerce site. If you guys want to create a e-commerce site, it's very difficult and its cost so high. So in this website you can make your own e-commerce blog. It's absolutely free of cost. Woopla site, they are providing so many products which you can include in your store. It's very simple. Just add your products and share on social media. Then your job is done. Let's say if someone clicks on your link and purchase your product, then Woopla will pay you 15% commission on each product. I know what you guys are thinking. If in case no one purchased the product, then how to get money? Guys, you are correct. In that case, Woopla is providing another way to earn money. Let me explain how. Guys, in case no one purchase your product and they just click on your link which you guys posted on social media, for that Woopla going to pay you. For example, 100 clicks they are going to pay you 10 rupees. So there is no risk at all. You just to create a store and add products on your store, then just share it on social media. This is how it works. And one more thing is, once you complete your sign up, Woopla pays you a sign up bonus 50 rupees. So let's start how to sign up and create a store. Follow me guys. Okay, click on the Google search engine and type Woopla, WOOPLR, then search. You can see here the first link. Open your online store for free. Just click on that and it will redirect to the Woopla website. Here the home page, you can see a blog, track order, login, open my store. If you are a new user, you have to open my store, click on that, and you can see here Facebook, Google. If you have a Facebook account or Google account, you just directly you can sign up, or else you can give the name, email ID and password, and manually you can submit that and you can sign up. Okay, I given my name and my email ID. Okay, now I choose my password. Okay, submit. Okay, they have created a blog for us. So you can see here our name. Here you need to give your phone number, so I'll give my phone number. Then just click on continue. Okay, here they given that 3 to 30 characters must be the store name, so I'll just give Kiran 41 and continue. Wait for a moment and okay, now you can see here the process. It's showing that how the process of the Woopla store. Just click on next. Okay, now you can see here, hi Kiran, your store is ready. So this is my store ID. Like that you also get one store ID, store blog. Just close this and click on next. Okay guys, once we finish up the sign up process, everything, we can see down here my name, and down here you can see add products, earnings, get help, my store. Click on my store. Okay, this is the store. You can see a woman, man, international on sale and some of the products. So if you want to add products into your store, just go to the add products and click on. Then now you can check here, they are giving some offers, new instant extra bonus, and you can see the products down here. You can choose any one product and you can add into your store. I choose this t-shirt and I'll add it into my store. You can see down here the price, everything, and you can see here add product, share product, and a copy link for selling. So I added the product. You can successfully. Now you can see share product. You can share this product via Facebook, Twitter, email, or else you can copy the link and you can directly send message or WhatsApp to your friends. Okay, go back to my store again and see whether the t-shirt was added inside or not. You can see down here the product was added into my store. So again, go back to add products. We'll add some more products inside the store. So you can check here, they have so many products. You can go okay, I'll go to the best selling menswear. Down here you can see so many t-shirts. You can choose and you can add into your store. Just simply you can add the products whatever you want to add into your store. Just click on the add product. If you want to change the products, you can go to the manage store, click on manage store, and down here you can see if you want to remove the products, you can click here and remove. If you guys want to check your earnings, click on earnings. You can check here your earnings. Total earnings is 50 rupees. Guys, before I mentioned about the sign up bonus 50 rupees, this is the one. Add payout method. Guys, you can withdraw your earnings through add payout method. You can see here if your earnings you want to transfer to your bank, just fill up your bank details, then submit. And there is another payout method is Paytm. Just give your Paytm phone number and link that phone number. Click on link. They will send a OTP to your phone number. Just give the OTP over there and just verify and proceed. So guys, this is the whole process of sign up and creating a store. I hope you guys like this video. So if you like this video, please click on like button, share video, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you very much. Goodbye.